What happened?
It's confidential. Business matters.
Okay. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you for today. Ingat ka, Ninja Boy. Boss, sorry po na traffic kami. Ano pong emergency yun?
I want ramen.
Ha? Ramen? Sorry. Ramen po? Ito na po yung ramen niya, boss. Boss, bakit niyo naman po ako tinawagan? Nagpaalam naman po ako sa inyo eh.
I want you to bury your old memories.
Uy, si boss!
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning, sir.
BMC.
Good morning.
Boss, ano pong ginagawa niyo dito?
Well, this is a team building, and the direction of this team is always a mess without your leader. That's why I'm here.
What the perfect role model, sir.
Join us, sir.
I will, Miss Angeles.
Gusto niyo pong sumali, sir. Nagsisnake sila. It's the game. Okay, so alam ko marami tayong pinagdaanan ngayong araw na to. Medyo alog yung mga utak natin. Kaya if you have questions about the mechanics, lapitan nyo lang ako, okay? Okay. Alam ko meron kang tanong.
Jordy,
Yes, boss.
I want to propose a trade. Your puzzle piece for mine.
Bakit po?
Kailangan kong kausapin si Sec Kim. Regarding our meeting with the park group.
Akala ko po ayun yung kapartner sa Steph eh. Ako naman yan, boss eh. Sanayan lang.
Okay, then what do you propose? What do you want?
On the house naman yan, boss eh. Kapag po gusto yung kabanding tas wala si Sir Philip, andito lang ako. Joke lang po.
Calm down, Jordy. Deal.
Deal.
Oh, I guess we're on the same team.
Hindi yan yung nabunot niyo kanina, di ba po?
So you were paying attention to my heart.
Po? Hindi ho. Na ano ko lang po nasilip ko lang kanina. Di ba bawal pong makipagpalit?
Well, no one mentioned that in the rules.
So may pumayag hong makipagpalit sa inyo.
I'm an expert at closing deals. Remember? Thanks again for dinner. Bitin pa nga eh.
Pwede ko pa naman po kayo pagluto ulit.
No. Get some rest. Today was great.
Sekim!
And by the way, after going home tomorrow, let's have dinner at my place.
Copy po, boss.
Good night.
Good night, boss. Thank you. Yan. Bango.
Paano mo natutunan lutuin to?
Kapag pecha de peligro na, no choice na ako kundi lutuin na lang tsaka mag-recycle ng mga tirang pagkain para the next day gagawin ko na siyang silog. Parang ganito. Bakit po?
You have something on your face.
Hindi po eh.
Anong ginagawa?
Magkausap po sila ni Sir Cyrus ngayon.
Anong pinag-uusapan nila?
Hindi ko po alam eh. Medyo malayo po sila sa akin eh.
How close are they to each other?
Ano po?
You know what? I-video call mo lang so I can see.
Sige po.
Alright, thanks Jordy. What? See? I told you I can handle it. Kalayo naman pala sila eh.
Bakit? Tayo ba?
Well, yeah. Wait. Hindi ba? But we kissed.
Boss, pwede naman kasing magtanong, di ba?
Kimberly Liwanag, will you give me the privilege of being my girlfriend?
Copy po.
How about my wife?
Uy, boss, wag naman ganun. Bilis naman po masyado, hinahinay lang. Dami po kasi nangyari ngayon eh. Darating din tayo doon. Sa ngayon, ito na lang muna.
Okay, fine. But stop calling me boss dahil boyfriend mo na ako.
Bakit? Anong gusto mong itawag ko sa'yo?
I don't know yet. Maybe we'll figure it out along the way.
Okay. Good night. Love.
I don't think so, babe.
Parang ang cheesy-cheesy na nito. Pasok na ako.
Sige, antayin na kitang makapasok.
Bye.
Sakim.
Bakit may nakalimutan ka?
Yes.
Sige, ano yun?
I forgot to say good night and sweet dreams.
If you feel the same way